Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome to Magical Droplets. I am Chital Shah, and today I'll be discussing some easy and effective ways to release negative thoughts, feelings, emotions, stress, and anxiety from your life. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media accounts, links of which have been mentioned in the description box below. If you feel generous and would like to donate to my channel, please do so. Any contribution, small, medium, large, is highly appreciated. Also, there is an Amazon wish list mentioned in the description box if you feel extra generous to donate. Thank you. So, without any further ado, let's begin. The first tip and the tool that we have to reduce stress and anxiety is prayers. Prayers are an effective way to reduce stress. They have been passed to us and sent to us from generations to generations and centuries over centuries. Though the normal method in which it has been passed to us says a particular script, a particular mantra, or a particular way in which we need to do it, but a simple and effective way would be: Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Ascended Masters, Spirit Guides, and my guardian angels, please help me with dash. Whatever it is that you require help with, be it any particular situation, any event, any health condition, or with any person. The angels are free and are always available to help you. You only need to ask for their help and assistance. So, prayer is a wonderful way in which just asking for help and assistance will really help you overcome any situation. You need to have trust and faith in the universe, in the divine, and in the highest being and highest good for all the people involved. You can also do a thing. You can add name of any god, goddesses, or any higher being that you believe in to make it more effective and make it more powerful. The second tool is affirmations. As you all know, affirmations are a way to control the subconscious mind and to reprogram it. As we affirm something, we are programming our subconscious mind into believing that this is a fact. So initially, there might be instances when your subconscious mind is not ready to believe what you are saying. So, at such times, using switch word like oil release definitely helps. And then you can affirm, I am healthy and safe. I am protected. I release all resistances in my life. I release all negative emotions in any area of my life. I release all negative emotions and negative thought patterns from dash. These are few of the affirmations that you can keep on repeating, or you can record the same in your mobile phones and play it in a loop in a minimum volume to help it go beneath your subconscious mind and help you. So if it is hard for you to believe in a affirmation when you initially begin, please don't forget to use switch word oil release, which definitely will help you release the resistance in believing the affirmation and help you reprogram your subconscious mind at the earliest. The third tool that we have is calling upon Archangel Michael. Majority of you might be knowing Archangel Michael is an angel that we call upon for protection, safety, and for well-being. So if there are any negative thought patterns, negative thoughts, feelings, emotions, anxiety, stress, depression, worries, or anything that is really bothering you, call upon him. He will immediately come to you for your help and assistance. You just have to say, Dear Archangel Michael, please help me with this particular situation, and relax and know that Archangel Michael is here with you, present for this situation. The fourth tool that we have for releasing stress and anxiety are switch words. So, what are switch words? Switch words are power words which we use as a switch, like when you turn a switch and the electricity turns on and off. In a similar fashion, switch words are used to help you turn into the power of the words and help you in your life. So the first word that you can use is bluff cover. Bluff cover is an effective word to help you dispel fear, anxiety, and release negativity from your life. The second switch word that you can use is purge bluff cover. In a similar fashion, this works in a more effective manner that helps you release anxiety and depression from the root. The third option that we have is bluff cover dewdrop hope. bluff, cover, dewdrop, hope. Along with bluff cover, we are using a diffusing word dewdrop to help you release in a comfortable manner and bring happiness in your life. So these are the three switch words that we have for you. The next option we have to release stress and anxiety from your life, energy work. Energy work is something that you do to bring in positive energies in your life. There are different modalities through which energy works and which you can use to help yourself. Reiki is one of the methods, violet flame healing is another such method. Color therapy is something that will also help you in bringing and shifting your energies to a large extent. You can take the help of a Reiki practitioner to release stress and anxiety and negative emotions from your life and bring in positivity, or you can use color therapy, colors like yellow in your life to bring in more joy and happiness. Also, if you are a practitioner, Reiki practitioner, or an energy healer practitioner, start doing a daily energy work for yourself. Even 5 minutes of energy work will really help you a lot. Access bars is another such tool that can help you deal with anxiety and depression. Next tool we have is essential oils or aroma oils. As you all know, essential oils are wonders and can help you in many areas of your life. But today we'll be specifically discussing only two essential oils, that is lavender oil and rose oil. So lavender oil is a very calming, soothing oil that helps you relax your mind and release all stress and anxiety from your life. You can use essential oil along with the carrier oil. Put a few drops on Put a drop of the essential oil on your pulse points or on your pillow or anywhere where you are usually spending time. So one or two drops would be enough, but don't use essential oil directly on your skin or it would be harmful. Rose oil is wonderful oil. It helps not only to release fears and anxiety from your life, but it also helps you heal all the negative emotions that you have been experiencing because of a loss, a heartache, or any particular event in your life. Rose oil will also help you heal headaches that you might be experiencing. Rose is a wonderful flower that is known for its loving qualities, and with rose oil you not only heal the negative emotions, you develop self love for yourself, and it really helps you relax and calm and helps you have a better good night's sleep. The next thing that I would recommend for people who are facing stress and anxiety is to listen to wonderful music, something that is soothing and is relaxing to your mind, and helps you to forget things that are troubling you. My favorite song to listen is Don't Give Up by Josh Groban. This is a song that I have been using for over a decade in times when I am really sad or I am sobbing. I use this song, and within 5 minutes, the whole pain goes away. It is a wonderful healing song. I don't know how and what it has in it, but when I play it the second time, all my fears, all my stress, all my sadness is completely gone with this song. And I have recommended this to many people who have really found this song a huge asset and a huge contribution to their life, because it really heals all the pain that you have been going in a particular situation. It is very soothing and very calming. Next activity that I would suggest you is to pursue your hobbies: painting, cooking, dancing, singing, whatever it is that you like, even watching television, binge watching series, anything that you enjoy. When you start doing it and pursuing it daily, it really helps you let go of the stress and have more fun in your life. As you develop more fun, things will immediately start improving in your life. The next thing that I would recommend you is doing physical activity, exercising, yoga, or dancing, or learning something new is really something that would help you release all the emotions that have been stored in your body. As you move your body, things will start soothing and moving in a better direction and help you release emotions, because the energies are stuck inside the body, and some physical movement helps to release those energies in a particular manner. So even hobbies are a wonderful thing to pursue daily, as well as doing any physical exercise like walking and joining an activity class, yoga, dancing, whatever it is. Make it a habit to do it daily, and this will really help you change your life and get out of all those negative thoughts, feelings, emotions, stress, anxiety, depressions, everything. These are a wonderful tool which not only I recommend, but physical exercise is something that majority of the trainers all over the world and coaches would recommend you, because when you train your body, there is ample release of stuck unwanted energies which will make space for new energies to enter your life. The last and the most important tip that I'll be sharing with you is talking to your loved ones. You never know what a small conversation can open up for you, and when you talk to your loved ones without any fear of judgments, you can really open up your heart and heal it completely. No life coach or a paid trainer or a counselor would help you release those emotions and release those stress as much as talking to our loved ones would. I highly would recommend you to speak to your loved ones and discuss your issues with them, and later then pursue a counselor or a life coach or a trainer to help you with your issues, because your loved ones know your inner emotions and what is it that you truly are and how you truly behave. So when you discuss your issues with them, things will start getting lighter and you will immediately start relaxing. But if you are unable to discuss it without any fear of judgment with your loved ones, please consult a counselor, a life coach, a trainer that would really help you release stress, anxiety, depressions from your life and bring positivity back to you. So these were few of my tips that I would recommend. If you would like to have a personal consultation with me or book an energy healing session, please contact me on my WhatsApp number mentioned in the description box below. Also, if you would like to have a tarot or oracle card reading, please do consult me. All the services that I offer are mentioned in the description box below. Thank you.